everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2017 Mini Cooper Hardtop in electric blue metallic. This vehicle does seat up to 5 passengers very comfortably, and under the hood we got a 1.5 liter 12V twin turbo, as well as your front grille with your chrome surroundings. Beautiful headlights, and as you can notice in here, the headlights do have the Mini logo inside as well. Very cool. We've got your 17-inch blacked out rims and your mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror. There's plenty of more options we can take a look at inside. Let's hop on in. Helping us into this Mini Cooper is the keyless entry fob, as well as your aftermarket ComStart remote start. Gonna go ahead and hop on in here. Over here we've got your power windows, power locks, and mirrors, as well as a little bit of storage down here. Your automatic headlights, so you can set it and forget it. Your black leather seating running throughout the vehicle. I'm gonna hop on in here. Gonna mention there is only 29,808 kilometers on this vehicle. Gonna go ahead and turn it on. As you can see there, shows you the kilometers, telling me to fasten my seatbelt, which I would do if I was not just sitting here parked doing my video. So on the left here we've got your cruise control, and on the right we've got your voice recognition and your volume up and down buttons for your radio, as well as your leather wrapped steering wheel. Over here we've got your rear view auto dimming mirror, as well as the buttons for your reading lamps. As you can see, this middle button here is for your panoramic sunroof, which I can open up a little bit here to show you guys. I don't want to do it too much because it is snowing. Opens up very smoothly, closes very smoothly. There's also a sunshade here for those hot summer days that you want the sunroof open, but you don't want too much of the breeze hitting you. Down here we've got your audio center, which has your AM and FM radio. Gonna go back here. I got your multimedia center, as well as Bluetooth, your office, a mini connected, your vehicle information, your settings, as well as navigation. It is a split screen as well, so you can click to the side here, you can see split screen, follow the directions for whatever you want. It's very neat and very handy. Gonna turn up the radio here so you guys can hear the bass. I don't know if you guys noticed, but as the volume's up and down or whatever, you've got your color changing lights here, which is a super neat feature. Down here we've got your dual climate control, so you and your passenger can be happy. When you change the climate as well, one shows hot, one shows cold. See? Pretty neat. Down here we've also got your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as your AC buttons. Over here is your button for your automatic stop and start engine, as well as here is your button to start and stop your engine and your traction control. Down here we've got your auxiliary output, as well as your USB port. 2 great cup holders. Over here is the dial that I'm using to control the display screen, as well as buttons for your radio, your media, your Bluetooth, your navigation. In the middle we got a cute little storage console here, and there is plenty of more options in the back. Let's take a look. Taking a look in the back here, we've got an awesome little pocket, as well as map pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. This awesome little cup holder here, and here's your sunshade for the back, as well as you got your anchors for car seats if you have kids. These seats do come down as well for some extra storage. As you can see. Gonna back up nice and easy. Let's take a look in the trunk here. Comes up nice and smooth. Got lots of space back here for groceries, a stroller, whatever you might need it for. Little goodie bag here, as well as you can put stuff on the top of here, just in case if you need. Taking a look on the other side here. It looks just like the other side. And as you can see, there's plenty of foot and headroom. Taking a look in the front. We've got some more storage down here if you need, as well as your front console for papers, chapstick, etc. As well as this seat comes down for your passengers to get into the back. And you can push this button and it moves your seat up as well. Push it down, it brings it down. Got your manual seat here. Pull it. Oh my goodness, it's hard. Pull it and it brings your seat up. It's a little hard to do with one hand. That's about it. I'd like to thank you guys for taking a look at this 2017 Mini Cooper Hardtop in blue metallic. If you guys would like to come down and take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.